In our previous video, I showed you how to find new ideas for blog articles. Now that you're a content producing machine, I'm going to show you how to optimize your article for maximum impact. Number 1, keyword research. Google processes approximately 70,000 queries per second, and if you want a piece of that action, you need your content to stand out and outrank your competitors. Creating new content is the perfect opportunity to target those long-tail keywords, and these are important because they account for 70% of the searches on Google. Although they have a lower search volume, they are less competitive and can result in a higher quality of visitor. So how can you find these long-tail keywords? By doing keyword research. Using a combination of Answer the Public, Google Autosuggest, and the Moz Keyword Explorer, you can discover the keywords that your customers are using in their searches. Once you've got your target keyword and phrases, it's time to add them into your blog article. Number 2, integrate your keywords naturally. Now, the first mistake people make is to cram all the keywords into the article as much as possible. This is known as keyword stuffing, and Google doesn't like it at all. What you need to do is add your keywords in naturally and make it easy to read. You need to remember that you're writing for humans and not for Google. Don't obsess over the amount of times you've added your keyword throughout the article, as this isn't as relevant as it used to be. So here's where your keywords should appear. They should be in your blog title, subheadings, in the URL, in the meta description. Although it's not a ranking factor, it will be displayed in bold in the SERPs. Alt and title text for your images, and throughout the content naturally. In addition to your long tail keyword, you should use related and keyword variations. For example, if your target keyword was what is the best mobile phone to buy, then keyword variations would be smartphone, mobile, and cell phone. Google analyzes your article as a whole topic. So using related keywords such as mobile brand names and operating systems, then Google will be able to get a better understanding of your article. Number 3, scannable long content. If you want your readers to reach the end of your article, you need to make it scannable and easy to read. You can do this by using short sentences, short paragraphs, breaking the content up with block quotes and images, using bullet points, and structuring your content with subheadings. Using these techniques, it will allow the reader to scan your content and it will improve its readability. Readability is measured using the Flesch Reading E-scale. Unless you're a university professor producing a paper, you want to be aiming for a readability of 60 and above, which is understandable by teenage students. Although there are no rules regarding the length of an article, evidence suggests that longer articles do rank better in Google and encourage more shares on social media. Creating long-form content also gives you the opportunity to fully explore the topic and to create a mix of keywords. As a rule of thumb, we recommend 500 to 1,000 words. If you're new to blogging, it's good to have a guide to check that you're on the right track, but you need to remember that substance is the most important factor. Number 4, internal and external links. Now that your audience is reading your article, you can offer them more content by including internal links. By linking to other sections of your website, such as other relevant articles, case studies, or products, you can increase the time spent on your website. In addition to this also helps Google crawl your website and make a more accurate sitemap. Don't be afraid to link to external websites. Linking to trustworthy websites offers your readers supporting reading material and signals to Google that you've done your homework. Number 5, amplify your article. By now, you should have the perfect article. It's a good length, the keywords are in the correct places, it's all formatted and tidy. So what do you do next? You need to amplify your content. Every time you create a new article, you need to amplify it to put it in front of your target audience. You've put in the time and effort to create a great article, so you don't want it to be overlooked. So how can you amplify your content? You can post your article on social media. You can create a targeted paid promotion on social media. You can use the correct hashtags so people can discover it. You can email your list of subscribers, letting them know about your new article. You can share your article in relevant groups on Facebook, LinkedIn, and any relevant forums. And you can also outreach to influencers. So you could send them an email, just letting them know you got a great article, and they could reference it or link back to it. So there we have it, 5 simple steps to optimize your blog article. Now, if you follow the steps in this video, you'll start to attract more visitors to your website and start to build an authority in your industry.